Hi, my name is Leonardo Ordóñez, product designer, data science. I leverage the mixed reality, consulting the AI generative social innovation, passionate about the green energy, and I will accompany you in this epic adventure that will change your life with the new knowledge. Okay, introduction to the fundamental of the 2D and 3D graphic design with artificial intelligence and workshop on Stable Diffusion. Welcome to the exciting course on the fundamentals and 2D and 3D graphics design with artificial intelligence. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of the AI assisted design and explore the groundbreaking model Stable Diffusion. Artificial intelligence and graphic design. Transformation of design. Explore the evolution of graphic design with revolutionary AI enhancement. Collaborative creativity. Discover how AI has reshaped the creative process in graphic design. Fundamentals in 2D and 3D graphic design. Essential principles. Understanding composition and the perspective is crucial in visual projects. Visual foundation. They are the building blocks of the captivating 2D and 3D designers. Introduction to Stable Diffusion. Unveiling the protagonists. Discover the power of the Stable Diffusion, a pioneering machine learning model. Quality and stability. Learning how this model generates remarkable image with the unique stability. Stable Diffusion Workshop Preparation Hand-on Workshop. Prepare your computer, install the software, and immerse yourself in this unique experience. Learning interface. Get ready to explore the tools and process production of prompts for the Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion Workshop Step. Step 1. Interface familiarization. Explore Stable Diffusion is interface and familiarize yourself with these features. Step 2. Import design elements. Learn to import design elements and adjust setting based on the preference. Step 3. Real-time image generation. Witness the model generative high-quality imaging is in real time. Tips and tricks with the Stable Diffusion. Experimentation, scale, try different configuration and setting for unique and personalized results. Boundless creativity. Unlock the full power potential the Stable Diffusion with creative exploration. Conclusion of the video. Excitements await. Hope you enjoyed this introduction, dive deeper into the world of the 2D and 3D design with the Stable Diffusion. Join us again. Looking forward to see you explore more in the next class. Thank you.